Hi guys, welcome back to Stonehill Cabin, and we are starting the Deerstand part 3 today, and we're going to be starting by doing some measuring and putting some siding up, and we'll see how far we get with the siding. I think part 4 might have to be the trim work, but maybe that'll be in part 3. We'll see how it goes today.
Can I attach like a little arm out here so it goes like this? Keeps it from swaying out. just enough to kind of keep it from kicking out. Alright, now I'll get up there and try it. I'm tempted to always step on that. That's not good. Yeah. That's pretty good, I'd say.
Sun's going down.
Man, they might be able to learn good stuff. Let's hope not.
Oh, the problem is the grooves. They can get into every level. Oh, dang it.
Well, they didn't eat all the way through it, so we're going to have to put it up and then get some termite spray or something.
Yep.
Problem is they're now here.
Yep, another layer.
You know what? It'd be a pretty difficult thing for that thing Right, right.
You got to connect them. Maybe I can do it here though. Oh, where was that stud?
There's a stud right here.
Oh, that is right on the rib. Okay. How often do you think going up the side?
Oh, I'd go every 18, probably 18, maybe a foot and a half. take off the bodies. Up. Shot brush. You want me to come higher? I can walk up here.
Yeah.
Walk a little higher here. At least we can rest it on that. Whoop. Oh, I just got in short. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
fingers are under it.
Right.
Do you have it on the bottom?
I do.
Okay. What, rest? There.
Right there. All right, let me come up. A total workout.
Well, we were able to get the trim on around the windows. Nothing terribly special or fancy about it, but just, I guess it did dress it up a little bit, so that was nice. And got both of those windows done. The corners, I have these corner pieces that are going to kind of fit and kind of cover that little gap, you know, but I can't put those on until after I get the siding on this side. But anyways, I have those corners for all four corners, so I'm looking forward to getting those on. It'll make it look a lot better. And then the last piece all the way up at the top, it's that white 1x2 strip that's touching the siding and the soffit. It was nice just to get that up there because it covered a little bit of the little tiny bit of gap that was left, and it just kind of covered that up nicely and dressed it up. And the corner piece will go right up to that top part there and then come all the way down here to the bottom of the siding. So anyways, that's what we got done today. It probably would have taken us 2 or 3 hours if we knew what we were doing. So the good news is the next time it'll go much faster.